Hi guys, it's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. What I'm going to do today is continue on with my special project that I'm working on. This is going to again be a part one, and when they're all done I'll show you the end result. Alright, so I put lines, I covered with white paint already. This is a 8x10 panel from Dick Blick, and I'm going to do a swipe. I'm not looking for cells or anything. I'm just looking for it to be the colors that I want it to be. Okay, so let's get ready.
So what colors are you using there? Are you using that green? What is it
I'm using Apple Barrel Christmas Green.
Christmas green?
Yes. Artist Loft White. And Master's Touch Orange. I finally got the name right. All right, let's go.
Okay, so what are you going to use swipe with? You're going to swipe with
I'm going to swipe with this
plastic card, I guess.
Yeah.
It's a sale item for a car or something.
Yeah. So, wish me good luck.
Oh, good luck. Just go over there. It's plenty big enough, so why don't you go the other way? That way you can make sure that
yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, so you're gonna
John always has good ideas, guys. That's why I keep him around.
Okay.
All right, and for his cooking, he cooks good too. All right.
What are you laughing about?
I'm laughing because I did swivels.
I thought you were going straight.
I was going straight, but it didn't go straight. Oh, I should have had you do it. You're straight. You know me. I can't even draw a straight line with a ruler.
Stop it.
Here, give me.
What are you going to do now?
I'm just going to take some of the paint and put it on.
Here we go. One more time. Another 5th time's a charm.
Ready?
Okay. Oh, you're doing better now.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, this is only part one of my project, so, you know, the end result I think is going to be nice. Hi guys, we're back to show you my secret project that I was working on. What I did was I took some Dick Blick panels and I did a bit of a swipe on the front of it with green, white, and orange, which are the colors of the Irish flag. And then, sorry John, then I purchased some Celtic crosses, and John drilled the holes in them, and I covered it with lightweight spackle, and then I painted it with copper paint, and I put a shamrock emblem, and we glued 2 popsicle sticks to the back so that it gives it a 3D effect when it's in a frame. And this is the end result. In the frame, there's no glass on the frame because the cross sticks out. I think it came out really good, and when I get orders, I'll just put that one in the frame and glue it, but they're ready to go. So if anyone's interested, just let us know. Thank you very much. Remember, St. Patrick's Day is coming up. So thanks for listening. This is a short one, but I just wanted to show you what project I was working on. So please subscribe to our channel and bang the bell to be notified of new videos. Give us a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Check out our paintings at username John Him on eBay. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying thank you for watching. Be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Bye-bye.